Hello students, today we are going to study a new topic, that is verb forms. You know, verb is an action word. Now let me define verbs and its groups. Verbs are subdivided into two groups: regular verbs and irregular verbs, on the basis of how their past tense and past participles are formed. In a simple way, verb is an action word and it is one of the parts of speech. What is regular verb? As I already told you, verbs are classified into two divisions, that is regular verbs and irregular verb. Let me define regular verbs. Regular verbs are those verbs whose past tense and past participles are formed by adding a-d, that means d or ed to the end of the verb. Now this is the list of the regular verbs I have already given. You can go through how they have added d or ed in the list. Now the next is irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs which do not follow normal rules for conjugation. Conjugation means change of tenses. For example, the irregular verb be has several unique forms. That means be is the form of am, you, are, is, etc., which are quite different from regular verbs such as cook. We can say I cook, you cook, he cooks. Now this is the list of irregular verbs. Now I have already told be is the form of is, was, are, were, been, etc. Now this is the list. You can go through the irregular verbs and you can understand the difference between regular and irregular verbs. Now I have given some assignment. The charts are given as well as the notes. Now this is an assignment of regular and irregular verbs. And here two charts I have given, that is of regular and irregular. And one more also I have given which tells you about the tenses. According to the tenses, the verbs, regular and irregular verbs are put. And here to take a practice, you need a practice. Therefore, I have given the chart with the respective tenses. Now this is the chart of strong verbs. You can complete. I have given the present tense. You have to write past and past participle of it. This is the list of weak verbs for the practice. Again, you have to do the same thing. The past tense and past participle you have to write. Now all the assignment, whatever the charts I have given of regular and irregular verbs, you can say strong verb or weak verbs. This you have to write all the charts in your notebook, as well as the practice chart you have to complete without fail. And while writing, please read it and write so that you will get practice very well. Have a nice day.